Welcome to our special edition of SOC TV. This is part 2 of a 4-part series. Tonight we're going to cover getting your new marketing distributors started right. And we actually have a tool with that very same name. It's going to be exciting. The Getting Started Right book. Let's go through it, shall we? Basically, when you just get started in SendOutCards, you need to understand a few things about our business. And this book is going to teach you those things very quickly. I'm going to turn to page 1. On page 1, it says your key information. This is where you write your information, your username and your account password if you want. Basically, you're going to list your key upline information here. List those people who care about your success. These are your sponsor. This is your upline who actually enrolled your sponsor. These are the people that you're in business with. You know, in SendOutCards, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. These are the people that care about your success. So get it written down. Page 2 in the Getting Started Right book shows a diagram of how to become Q qualified. You're brand new. You do not understand that yet. We're going to do that by using the dashboard explanation sheet right here. When you're brand new in SendOutCards, your dashboard is red, similar to this top diagram right here on this page. As you get started, we're going to turn a few of those yellow and then eventually green. By the way, this can happen pretty dang fast. It's pretty exciting how that happens. So let's go through this real quick. You're brand new. You're probably already on a $31 subscription, like it shows right here, okay? $31 subscription is a given. Basically, number 2 on this diagram is showing you your personal and customer volume. We call it PCV here at SendOutCards, but that is your personal and customer volume combined is what's up here in the top left. That's going to go green just by you joining as a marketing distributor, and your $62 of volume is going to show up there in month 1. Okay. The next circle that we see over here says 1 here, but the goal is to get 2 subscribing customers. Okay. As we get 2 or more subscribing customers, it turns green like this shows us right here. So we've got our $31 subscription set. We're starting to gain in our personal and customer volume over here in the top left, and we're gathered a couple customers, so we're green there. Now what? We need to get $93 in PCV, which is personal and customer volume. When we do that and get those 3 dials green on our dashboard, we now have what we call a Q. There's one final position I want to point out to you, which is called 93 CSV, which stands for Customer Subscription Volume. So this is just your customers alone. This is subscription volume from your customers' subscriptions, okay? And that's calculating here, and the company's going to give you 100 free points if you get over $93 worth of customer subscription volume. Pretty exciting stuff. Now let's get you started in your business. You understand the dashboard now? Let's go green, right? Let's do it right now. Turn the page. We're going to our 30-day success plan. Basically, we can get you green in a matter of days, and here's how we're going to do that. In your first 72 hours, we're going to make sure you're on your $31 subscription. Check. That's a given. We're going to help you gather 2 subscribing customers. Pretty simple stuff. Check. In fact, if you want to know how to do that, you can go to your on your main menu and SendOutCards, hover over the distributor button, and down there, 2 places down, it says Training Center. Click on Training Center. The very first video you're going to see right there is the Customer Gathering Worksheet video. You can print out a worksheet right there on that website, or you can simply turn the page in your Getting Started Right book, and we have a copy of the Customer Gathering Worksheet right here in the middle of your book. Okay? So, 2 customers, check. Done. That's your first 72 hours in the business. And we're going to try and get Q as quick as possible, right? So let's talk about your first week in the business. Your first week in the business, let's set a goal to becoming Q qualified, which is getting our dashboard green most of the way. So how we're going to do that is we're either going to go gather more subscribing customers, our personal orders and our cards and gifts count to get our PCV, which is personal and customer volume, and any orders from the SOC photo store count towards getting that 93 PCV. Okay, so we've already got our 31, so that made this circle green. We've already got our 2 customers, so that made this part of the dashboard green. Now we're working on our 93 PCV. That's what we're doing in our first week. This could actually be done quicker than a week. Seriously. Here's how we're going to do that. When you first joined SendOutCards as a marketing distributor, the company gave you 200 points. Along with that 200 points, there is a value. There is a value of volume. It's $62 worth of volume that's added to your dashboard. So we're already more than halfway to our 93 PCV. Here's how we're going to get that. Let's say we go into the photo store and we purchase our business cards. You're brand new in the business, you need to hang your shingle, right? Let's hang our shingle by ordering our business cards. If you order your business cards, you already have your $62 worth of volume already. That's going to put you over 93 PCV, or personal and customer volume, and you're going to have the queue, because these 3 dials make up the queue. That will create your queue. So now you're queue qualified. All you got to do is gather a few more customers and get your 93 CSV, which is customer subscription volume. You're going to get 100 points if you do that. That 100 points can be used for cards, gifts, all kinds of different products that you can purchase in your SendOutCards system. Unbelievable value the company's given us for for having that kind of volume. So in your first 30 days, you're going to want to set a goal to become senior distributor. Senior distributor comprises of everything we just did and gathering 3 marketing distributors. You know, you're out there in your world. You're out there doing your thing. You're out there living your life, and you're sharing SendOutCards with others. You're gathering customers, and we're finding others who want to do the same thing. While you're out there gathering customers on a daily basis, let's say you're exposing SendOutCards a couple times a day to people, you're going to find people that raise their hands and say, you know what, I want to do what you're doing. I want to create a retirement plan. I want a plan B. I just got laid off. I need to create $300 a month in income. Whatever it may be, these people are going to raise their hands, and they're going to want to join you in our business and start making additional income through this incredible opportunity we have called SendOutCards. So gather 3 marketing distributors and sponsor 1 certified trainer. By the way, you can count as that certified trainer to become senior distributor. And if you gather those 3 marketing distributors and you are a certified trainer, you're going to automatically advance to what we call senior distributor. That's called success, guys. That's your 30-day success story. Build your story. You got 1 chance to build your story. Create your target dates. Go to work. Expose SendOutCards a couple times a day. Use the customer gathering worksheet that's found in the center of this book, and get busy. Go get your queue. Become senior distributor in 30 days. It's possible. We got people popping the queue every single day. We got people breaking senior manager ranks every single day. It's incredible. This formula that we've got right now, where we gather customers and teach others how to do the same, it's creating success in all of our groups. It's incredible. Checks are going out daily. The customer acquisition checks, they're going out daily. We got leadership bonuses and training bonuses going out weekly. We've got these huge residual income checks. They're growing leaps and bounds right now because of the formula. It's incredible. Everybody's getting to $93 worth of volume, and our checks are climbing fast. Incredible stuff. This tool right here, the Getting Started Right book, go through it, use it to get your people started right. There's a little compensation overview piece that you can go through here. We have the weekly bonus chart right here at the top of page 10. We've got monthly commissions to show you how much money is possible on your residual commissions. We even show you your retail sales commission chart right here, anywhere from 5 to 30% on your retail purchases, right? Your retail subscribing purchases. We show the certified training program comp plan in the back of the book, where you can make $40 to $100 training other people in your group by doing these training courses. And we also have a piece back here called How Big is Your Vision? Now that you've gathered 2 subscribing customers and have become queue qualified and advanced to senior distributor or above, you are teaching others to do the same. You can do the math with this new chart. Basically, you look at this and you say, all right, I'm a manager now. On level 1, I've sponsored 3 new marketing distributors. I'm going to times that by $93, and I'm going to times that by 2% plus the 5% that a manager gets, so that's 7%. So 3 times 93 equals this number times 7%. That is what's possible on your first level. use this chart, dream a little, have some fun, and we'll see you at the top. And we'll see you next week. Talk to you soon.